Celebrate the holidays with Revere's annual Robert A. Marra Memorial Sounds of Christmas Concert, Sunday, December 6th, 4 p.m. at St. Anthony's Church. Admission to the concert is free. Everyone attending is requested to bring a substantial donation of non-perishable food to benefit the Revere Food Pantry. Come and enjoy the program of holiday music and the annual sing-along of all-time favorites. The Robert A. Marra Memorial Sounds of Christmas Concert, Sunday, December 6th, 4 p.m. at St. Anthony's Church. Free admission thanks to our sponsors, Global Companies, LLC, Domenic Bocchino Insurance Agency, Comcast, and Suffolk Construction.